everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. By the way, I want to ask you a question. How do you improve your writing skills in English? What methods did you use? Is it working for you? Anyway, I have a solution to learn writing skills with fun. Let's check it out. This is Language Tool, web that helps you check for defects in your writing. Check the kinds of errors that exist in your writing, and available in 5 languages.
So, how to access?
First, you have to go to your browser. You can use your PC or smartphone. Then type down the URL. Wait for a few seconds, and this is the first page of the web. Click Sign Up to make your account. Fill in your name, email, and password in the spaces provided. Click Sign Up. Then you can see a new page like this.
So, how to use this web to help writing skills?
First, choose your language in writing. I'm going to use English British. Next, click this space to enter your text. Type down or use the paste option to enter your writing. I'm just going to paste some text here. Let's see. This is the result of the scanner. The underlined words have grammar mistakes and other mistakes. I will check the details of the mistakes. Let's look at the result statistics that I was get. My score is 89 out of 100 with 1 spelling error, 5 grammar errors, and 2 style issues. I can also check other statistics from writing results. So, now is the time to correct existing mistakes. Turn on the picky mode to find more help. These are some suggestions. Let's fix it together. I get a lot of mistakes here, such as punctuation errors, grammar mistakes, use of American words, and spelling mistakes. Fix it by clicking on all the suggestions that exist. But you can't put too many sentences, because the result of the sentences errors will not come out. This also will happen if your text is too short. You have to enter at least 100 words and no more than 60,000 characters for your writing.
Is there a premium version?
Of course, but I think it is enough if you just using free accessing to checking your writing fault. But it will be better if you use the premium version 1. You can pay $2.46 month for individual users and $4.92 month for your teams of 20 or more members. Here are some excellent options if you upgrade your English Tool web.
Alright, but are there advantages and disadvantages of this web?
Yeah, here are some of the advantages of this web. First, accessible in every personal computer, Windows or macOS, Android or iOS. All of the features is easy to check our basic fault in writing. The grammar checker is available in 5 languages: English, German, Spanish, French, and Portuguese. The premium version is not that expensive. The price is only around 35,000 rupiah. Very easy to use and has a high degree of accuracy. And the last but not least, there is application version of this web. Okay, let's move to the disadvantages of this web. The first disadvantages. There is a limit to the text we need to check. Next, the explanation about the grammar errors isn't complete. You should also have a premium for full description checks for sentence errors. And the last, there is no feature on how to make sentences.
Okay, I got it. This is a great web.
Alright, that's my explanation about this web. Thanks for your attention. See you.